Hello, this is Dunja from the creative team here. I hope you're all doing well and you enjoy the autumn. Hello, Dunja from the creative team here. I hope you're all doing well. Today I have artist trading cards for you. They are all autumn-like. You need embossing powder, a watercolor paper, watercolors, cardboard, stamps, and of course a brush and a bit of water. So here we go. Artist trading cards have a fixed size. It's 2.5 by 3.5 inch. I made blanks from mixed media watercolor paper. And first I used the anti-static powder tool. It's very important. And then I stamped the uh, leaf stamp onto my paper. This stamp is from Rubber Dance, and I've chosen gold pearl. Yeah, gold pearl. And it fits perfectly to the autumn colors. Just sprinkle the powder over it and then I heat the powder with the heat tool. Now I take the watercolors. These are from Pebeo. I like the strong colors, and if I use a little more water they become softer, and that's what I like most when I do coloring with watercolors. First I wet the leaves that I want to color, and then I first choose yellow. I always work from light to dark colors because otherwise the colors look dirty and the colors are not splendid anymore. After the yellow I used an orange, and after that I used a warm red to color my leaves. You can also mix the colors very well. I achieved the shades by not applying the color over the whole surface. The paper does not have a smooth surface, it's not hard pressed, which also gives the paper a certain texture, and that looks great. I think I hope you like that too. If not, you can use a hard pressed paper, and yeah, that's up to you. I added some more color sprinkles that makes it softer, and I dry it quickly with the heat tool so that the colors don't run too much. And finally I add a few golden color spots, but first when it's dry. When I've done the golden color spots, I use the heat tool again to dry it quickly. Here is a little close-up for you to see the watercoloring and the embossing on my artist trading card. Before I glue everything together, I use a cardboard plank. It's a standard packaging cardboard, and I added it a bit to so that it looks a bit more used. I do the same with the artist trading card, and I just gently rip the paper, and then I can glue them together with this tacky glue. It's fast drying, it's clear, and it's perfect for mixed media. I use some twine to do some embellishment on my artist trading cards. With these adhesive dots, I will glue it on it. It's very tiny, but it's very cool. You just rub it on and then peel off the foil. At least I need the sentiment. I have a black cardstock, the anti-static powder tool, and then I will use the golden rich embossing powder in superfine. I want to use the words one by one, so I cut them apart with my scissor and glue them on my artist trading card. And that's it. The artist trading cards are done. I've done some more because I really like the autumn colors, and so I can share 4 artist trading cards with you today, and I hope you like them. If you like the artist trading cards, then I would be happy if you leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new videos. I hope to see you soon. I hope you enjoy your day and stay crafty. Till then, bye bye.